going on? So, today, in this video, we're diving into the fuel issues. I guess first things first, we're gonna check the fuel pump relay. That's the easiest thing to get to. I don't have any fuel disconnectors, so that's gonna be a little tricky. Popping those little snap clips on. So we'll see. It's gonna rain later on today, so I just wanna, my goal is to get down there, check out the fuel pump, at least get a part number or something off of it so I could order a new one, and then I wanna grab my tester and test the relay to see if that's okay, you know? Like I'm gonna order both probably, but yep. So that's what we're doing today. We're going downstairs. Luckily it's not blistering hot out. It's gonna be humid, but yeah, we'll see how far we get. I might have to order tools. Who knows? Hopefully not. We'll see what we can do. I'll see you guys downstairs. Alright, well, we're down here at Betsy. I completely forgot to put on my little makeshift water guard, and I didn't have this on, so water just kind of splashed on the ball of the motor, which is a little unfortunate. I'm about to pop at least the back 4 of these top ones off and dry all that out. Maybe even these 2 front ones, but they don't seem wet. So we'll see. It just seems like it's majority like here back, so maybe this one too, maybe 5. Unfortunate, I completely forgot about that. So gotta deal with that. But apparently the fuse or the relay, I think I'm gonna have to pull it back up just to double make sure, but I think it's this guy. It's either this guy or it's this guy. That's fuel pump. So yeah, I'm gonna look it up on my phone real fast. Alright, so my previous statement was wrong. I believe it's actually these guys. Just look at the wires down there. They don't look bad. But I'm gonna pull this guy out and just do a little ohm reading, see if it is connecting at least. Okay, so I think I found a culprit, or one of them. This thing is pretty charred. Very well could be this is one of the issues, but the socket itself looks nice. Nothing looks burnt, like you would obviously see it on the white, but I don't know why this looks so bad. So I'm definitely gonna get a new one of these, and then I guess I gotta look up the part number for the fuel pump as well. We'll pop the cap off and see how crazy it is. Okay guys, so we're on the inside. Sorry about the leaf blowers in the background. It's cleaning day here at the complex. Looking at the wires, got a little spider friend. But look at the wires. These look okay. There might be a cut through right there. But I'm gonna take this cap off, that cap off, and see what we have to do. It should just be an easy little boop boop, but you know, whatever's supposed to be easy is usually not. Don't mind the mess. This thing has just become like a storage house for all my just random bullshit. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, look, if it's your car, you do with it how you want, okay? Alright, so I got all 4 bolts out. They were a little crusty, which is a little worrying. I don't know if this cap has ever been off on this car before. So, okay. Huh. Let's take a little look here. What's going on? A bunch of dirt. Some pretty hard. Oh, those are brittle fuel lines with those fucking stupid clips. Let's see. Fuel line's going over there. Looks like there's a little vacuum line. This is... what the fuck? Brother. I was not expecting it to be this gross. I'm gonna be honest with you. Let's pop that one open and hope it's a little bit better. I doubt it, but we'll see. Okay, I left that recording. Awesome. Alright, here's the other cap. It's better. But now I'm confused. Okay, so I'm guessing this is the pump side. The other side is just the return. Unless there's 2 pumps. I don't know if this cap twists off. I'm gonna need to order clamps for sure. I'm judging by the 2 plugs. This is the pump side. The other side is the return over for the hump. Interesting. Okay, so this is probably as far as I can go comfortably for now. I don't want to leave any of this stuff open. But, so I'm gonna need clips. Oh, look how brittle that hose is. I'm gonna order a roll of fuel line. Oh, but that's big too, damn. It looks like it's just crossing over. So that might not be too bad. Yeah. Okay, and I'm just assuming this cap twists off in some fashion. It's probably like a whole unit. Just for shits and giggles. It looks okay. Just seeing if anyone might have sabotaged my shit. I don't think so. Okay, I'm gonna put this back on. And then I guess I'll do a little bit of thinking.
Well, that's that for the for now at least. I've got a fuel line coming. I ordered that off of Amazon. I got some hose clamps because we're gonna need that shit. I've got cleaner, brake clean, and I was debating on ordering just the fuel pump itself, but I debated. It was only like $30 more. Just get the whole fresh new assembly. I don't want to break anything. It's really brittle 30-year-old plastic, so all that's gonna be coming in. Next video will be probably cleaning that and maybe installation, depending on how long stuff takes. I might just clean the car out, just do one clean day. But yeah, that's that for today. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Like and subscribe. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.